there are so many really smart people that are working on all of this. There are smart scientists, there are smart pharmaceutical companies. I think it's so inspiring to hear how these companies are all coming together and saying, here's what's working for us. We're having an issue here. What's working for you? Everybody's working together worldwide to find a solution. People in Japan, these pharmaceuticals in Japan are talking to American scientists, and they're collaborating like they've never done before. The ECB, the G7 got together. These are all of the central banks all over the world. They got together yesterday and they used all the same language and they said together, we are going to do whatever it takes to get through this. They needed to say that together so that it's not just America. It includes Germany. It includes Italy. It includes every nation. We are joined together in this fight against this enemy. And that to me is incredibly inspiring. So there's a lot of good that's coming out of this. We're going to learn a lot from it and we'll be better.